In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill from QuickBooks Online. Whether you've added a bill by mistake or need to clear up some entries, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the entire process. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. To do this, open your preferred web browser, though I recommend using Chrome for optimal performance. Once you've done that, head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Make sure these details are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your QuickBooks dashboard. Now, let's navigate to the expenses section. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu filled with various options. Go ahead and click on Expenses. Once you're in the Expenses section, you'll have the option to click on Vendors if you know the specific vendor associated with the bill you intend to delete. This is optional, but it might make your search a bit quicker. Next, it's time to find the bill you want to delete. You have a couple of options here. You can either use the search bar at the top to type in specific details about the bill, or you can manually scroll through your list until you locate it. Once you find the bill, click on it to open it. With the bill open now, we're ready to proceed with the deletion. You'll notice a menu or selection option that says More at the bottom of your bill screen. Go ahead and click that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Delete. A prompt will then pop up asking for confirmation. Click Yes to confirm that you truly want to delete this bill. This is your last chance to back out, so make sure you're certain. The final step is to make sure the bill has been successfully deleted. To verify it's completely gone, return to the Expenses section and click on All Expenses. This view allows you to double check that the bill no longer appears in your records, confirming the deletion process was successful. And there you have it. You've just learned how to delete a bill in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process, but I hope this guide made it even easier for you to follow. Remember, keeping your financial records accurate is crucial, so take your time with these steps to ensure everything is right. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using QuickBooks Online.